Let me show you how you can adapt the sound on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, especially for you. For example, if you are a younger person or older person, we actually have to change it, otherwise it might not sound the best for you. So again, obviously our hearing changes as we age as well. So first, simply go to your settings. So if you have a Samsung phone, you will see the settings over here appear. If you do not have a Samsung phone, you can download the Galaxy wearable app from the Play Store, and you'll be able to get access to all these settings. So you see in the sound quality and effects here, if you go over here, you have this adapt sound option. So you can enable it here and click on it here. So you see, for example, you can select your age range here, or also you can so you can even test your hearing as well, like take hearing tests to determine how good even is your hearing, I guess. So again, place them inside and click start here. So also you see you can okay, I have to actually put them in. And only then it will probably give these options here. So you see, yeah. And also you can personalize it as well. Okay,